Hey all. So when you go to the interview and interview asks you this question, he gave usually when we go to interview, they generally ask the output based questions. So I have one question for you. So what it is giving, we have one person object where it has name and age and another object address with city and zip. And what we are doing here, we are just creating another object with the spread operator and we are using JSON parser and later on we just changing the values. So according to you, what will be the output on this? So take your time, pause the video and then come back. Okay, I hope you tried from your end. So let's check the output. So this is our original object where as you can see in copy 1 we created and changed the city address with Los Angeles, so it is affected the original array. But as you can see we created a nested object also. It doesn't affect the original but it only affect the copy 2 what we created. So what is happening here, in JavaScript, we have a concept called deep copy and shallow copy. So whenever we create a object by using REST operator, it generally create a shallow copy. So what shallow copy is happen is, so when you create this, it just take the reference of this object and for nested one, it take reference on that. So when we change the value, it also affect the original one. So how we can prevent that? We need to create something called deep copy. So deep copy basically help us to prevent to modify the original objects. So generally when we are working in the industry where from the when we do API integration, when data is coming in the form of JSON and lots of data, so we don't want generally directly modify the original. So what we do, we use this JSON.parse that create a deep copy. So thank you. This is the most general question asked in interviews. Okay, great learning.